The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Naga Jinglong Jingman Bumdon ka Shongsok Shongshangan Harilum Goro, Namaka Jingi Kanat Umsnam, Kabami Naka Jing Persha Gijaj Benrio Goro, Bagi Bomday Rulum, Kim Day Banyo Ishimbanta, Lani Yakuni Election MDC, Shagaro Hills Autonomous District Council, GHADC, Kabharatia Janata Party, BJP Meghalaya, Hakastep Khalai Ulber Ajapunrio, Lengbau ba MH Kyrpang Nong Aiktian, Baruba ALHEC MLE na Punthor Umkra, Kalawan Bantuntu yu CH Vijay Shankar, Ulat Gajala, Bunpa Pynlong da Dorbar Kyrpang, ha GHADC. Katkum ka BJP, Kachingtumu ka Dorbar Kyrpang, Kalong Banya Kranya Kamat, Bagi Kirtong Ikun Election MDC, Sha GHADC, Kidiban Sais Ronald Scheduled Tribe, Katkum ka Jingpen Bana, Nega Notification, Balapunmi da ka Executive Committee, ka GHADC ak khanyaw trek rampang archa panrio katay ka notification kalong ban pentri kam nak bantag election MDC sa GHADC kabala bu ban Pynlong ak photorek wi yong archa panrio henry kabala pensange no nama ka jingmi kanat umsnam kabala sedang hadian baladon ka jingno ktakti yo kurtong ubom day try muluk buan thep kurteng nak banta katay election mana ka khanai trek ulber archa panrio hatura Shushu ginongelam ka BJP gilaong bulat ndang examen ni jingdawa jungki baraka bayday baka notification hi kami yang khamar ka Jingpeit binia kaan.
The president of the BJP, Meghalaya BJP, and led by the president and our MLA, Mr. ALHEC, met with the Honorable Governor to impress upon him the unfortunate incident that has happened in Kyrwoh Hills in general and in Tura town in particular. And we had discussed with him the reasons behind this incident that has happened, and we had also requested the governor to convene a special session of the Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council whereby he is authorized by the Constitution so that the issue of amending the rules can be taken up, that anyone who wants to contest as an MDC from Kyrwoh Hills should have a scheduled tribe certificate. And we requested the Honorable Governor also to take up this issue at the earliest so that normalcy and peace again prevails in Kyrwoh Hills.
See, this is too early to say anything about that. He had to study as per the constitutions. So after that only he will take his own decision.
What is it? No, frankly, governor has not indicated any view. He's taken a neutral view of all the incidents, but he will seek, he will consult the legal experts and all. Then subsequently, then he will take up his decisions. So governor has not given any commitment. He will take up so that whatever action he does has to stand scrutiny from the legal point of view. No, it is an unfortunate incident that's happened, and the way that the notification was issued and subsequently which did not stand the legal scrutiny. So, but the thing is, District Council has been there for the last 5 years. These things could have been taken up earlier, but taken up just before the elections. So that it raises a lot of questions.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.